Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Matt, and I've got wood in my workshop. Today I'm going to be going over part 8 of the workshop move slash setting up the new shop. And without further ado, I'll let you get to that.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks guys for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you enjoyed watching my shop become an absolute wreck. You'll be seeing a lot more of that here upcoming. It's certainly going to get a lot worse. So stick around for that. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions over anything in this video or anything in any other videos, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you wouldn't mind sharing the video as well, that'd really help me out. And I've also got all the links to all my social media down below. You can check me out there to see more up-to-date stuff on what I've got going on in the shop. If you've liked all the videos so far, go ahead and give me a subscribe. That'd be awesome. I'd really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day. See you later.